Hey guys, today I'm going to be dissecting one of the little fidget cubes. You've probably heard of them. This one just changes color, that's it. Yeah, I actually really want to see what this one looks like. So yeah, I'm going to be doing it. And I won't be let you guys have it for too long, and I'm going to be pausing this, so it won't be so boring for you guys. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I got that part, the little spinning part out. There's a lithium cell in there. I don't know why. But yeah. And there's also a little spring. And if I'm not mistaken, that should make it a bit easier for it to slide out, maybe? Oh, I see. There's another spring attached. As you can hear, I'm trying to get it out. It's a small motherfucker. There we go. Got that one out. And the other springs, doesn't look like it. Okay. Got one side done. I got the little pad out. And as you can see, it's easily shaking. Ooh. It's moving. Okay, here's the chip. Electronic chip that was in it. And here's the cube area. And I'm pretty sure that's like the little battery right in there. Oh. Look at that. There's like a little plug-in area, like plugs. And here's a little numpad that the buttons were on. Kind of sticky. And now it's time for the button. No. No. Again, no. Not again. No. No. Why?